Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I am Arsenio BJJ, and we are bringing you another BJJ rolling breakdown video, this time featuring Mat Enforcer Mike, who actually got promoted to black belt. So we're actually going to have to find a new Mat Enforcer, but I wanted to get a roll in with Mike after he got his black belt, now that I don't have to take it easy on him. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We are going to slap bump here and immediately start going. I'm just getting myself a little ready for this roll. So immediately here he goes with that left hand to get that ankle pick, but I immediately step that leg back because I know that that ankle pick is one of his signature moves. I feed that lapel out of his gi and I want to start using it to set up lapel sweeps and everything like that. He tries to go for that ankle pick one more time, doesn't get it, and I immediately start sitting to guard. Now what I want to do is he's doing a good job of stopping my right leg from finding a home and me getting that lapel. And he makes an elbow knee connection on his right side, basically stopping my left leg from finding a home in that De La Riva. He pins my leg to the ground right there, and he's going to step over immediately to the knee on belly position. So he passed the guard and scored the knee on belly points, and I'm already at a deficit here. So instead of staying on the ground and trying to work my guard, I decide to stand back up to set up my lapel sweep once more. I'm able to stand up, but Mike does a very good job of spinning me around in a circle and then ankle picking that leg, which is what he wanted to do. So he got the sweep points yet again. Mike is very good at that ankle pick, and I've been trying to find a way to work around that. So here I finally get the lapel under my leg, and I'm trying to feed it through his leg to set up a sweep, and I decide to come up to a combat stance position right here, and Mike is below me, and I thought I could take his back, but I'm not able to do so. Here I'm on his back, but I try to get the back sweep, basically pull him down and sweep that leg, but he's able to step his leg out and get into half guard position right here. So here I'm playing half guard, and I transition to kind of a deep half guard. As you can see, I feed my left hand through so I don't get Kimura'd. And he steps his leg over, and I thought I was going to be able to take the back, but I wasn't able to. Both of us stand up, and again I'm grabbing that lapel, and I'm going to try to set up a guard right here. But he does a very good job of doing the collar drag and picking up the leg. He's very good on the feet, and that's pretty much why I play guard against him. He almost gets me on the takedown there, but I'm able to step out and get my base back. So here again I pull guard, and I start to work on that collar. He's doing a good job of pulling that away. I'm in like a half guard position right here, and he immediately backstep passes. He uses my move against me and backstep passes into the side control position here. And I'm kind of working on getting my hips flat to the ground and getting into a turtle position, because what I want to do now is to stand back up and try to reset the position. Mike has scored quite a few points on me here, and I haven't been able to get my offense going at all. I guess getting that black belt gave him some superpowers, because I'm not doing very well against him. So here we kind of circle around, and he gets me in the basically brings my head down, and then gets to the back position right here. And what I'm trying to do, which you can't see on the far side, is I'm trying to stop him from getting the crucifix position. His right leg is trying to lace in between my arm and get me in the crucifix position. I'm able to stop that from happening, and he's just able to really just dominate the top game right here. What I want to do is take my right foot and kind of hook his leg and get into a half guard position here, but I'm not able to do so because he's doing a good job of keeping that leg away from my leg. And then he passes right over into a side control position here, and what I'm trying to do now is square my hips back to the ground and is basically get back up, but he's able to read that, follow me, take the back. Well, he hasn't scored the back points yet, but he's on my back, and what I'm trying to do now is stop his hook from going in, stop him from getting the points there, but also worry about the hand that's around my neck to stop him from setting up any type of choking position. Here we are, he's pulling me back into the back position right here. He's trying to grab my pant leg. I'm trying to do a good job of keeping my leg up to stop him from getting his hook, and also stop him from getting me into the bow and arrow position. But as you can see here, he's going to sit back, and I'm really trying to fight that arm to stop him from getting the bow and arrow. I'm able to turn to my knees to get into a turtle position, but then he gets the hook, and right here he gets the bow and arrow choke, and there was not much I could do there, but I tried my best to stop myself from getting submitted. But it's black belt Mike, so he definitely earned that black belt for sure. Absolutely. So there's 5 seconds left. We're gonna go. I'm stepping in and I immediately start to play a 50-50 game, and then the time runs out. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the roll. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Black Belt Mike put on a passing clinic on my guard and my guard game during this roll. He even hit my X pass, which is kind of makes me a little bit salty because that is my move, and you know, I should have seen that coming. But that was a great roll. Definitely a well-deserved black belt promotion. He's been a tough brown belt since I've known him for a very long time. And I'm glad I got to roll with him, and will continue to roll with him now that he's a black belt. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys stay tuned to the channel. We will have more rolling footage with other people from the team who have gotten their promotions, black belts, brown belts, purple belts, blue belts, white belts, the whole spectrum of belts. We will be having all of them together, rolling with me and commentating on those. So without further ado, let's end the video here, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.